Hi, I'm Allie with PowerTech, and we're excited to be kicking off our PowerTech Cares program for our very first selected nominee. At PowerTech, we do believe that everyone deserves to live in a safe, reliable, and comfortable home. And unfortunately, not all homes do meet those safety standards and can put a burden on many families. This is exactly why we created the PowerTech Cares program, our way of giving back to the community. Each month, we're honored to be selecting one recipient to receive a free electrical repair service at no cost to them. Being able to provide this service, knowing that we are helping create a safer living environment, means a lot to us. We are proud to be serving our community and making a lasting impact one home at a time. If you know someone who is in need of an electrical repair for peace of mind and safety, head over to our website and nominate them for our PowerTech Cares program. Everyone deserves to live in a safe and comfortable home.